recipes, Maths is a distinctive gift of nature to us. It involves reasoning and logic and is present in every aspect of life. Mathematics may not be able to add love or subtract hate, but it does give us hope that every problem has a solution. On behalf of our team, I thank you all for being a wonderful audience. We would like to convey our sincere gratitude to the organizers and our teachers who guided us through every step in proving that maths is truly an art that can be conveyed in poetry and music. So go ahead and dance the tunes of quadrilaterals. On that note, I beg to take your leave. Spend your time judiciously.